We're often asked, what's the simplest way to lock out an electrical appliance that's either faulty or undergoing scheduled maintenance so that people can't be injured by the appliance? Let's imagine that this circular saw is faulty and we need to lock it out. We're going to use these things on the table here. This is an electrical plug lockout device. This is a danger do not operate tag. We call this a lockout hasp, and this is a safety padlock. Now, the electrical plug lockout device opens up and allows us to put the lead from the appliance with the plug on the end into the device. We close it up. There's a hole here that we put the lockout hasp through. Then we use our danger do not operate tag that we've completed some basic information like the name of the person that's put it on, what's wrong with the machine and so forth. We use our lockout padlock through the tag and through one of those holes on the hasp, and we lock it up. So that device now, the plug can't come out and the hasp can't be removed while the padlock's through one of those holes. The reason that we use the hasp is if multiple people need to work on, I mean this is a circular saw, it's probably not a complex piece of machinery, but let's imagine it's a major piece of plant in a factory and multiple tradespeople might be working on it at the same time. So the hasp allows us to put additional tags and padlocks through the various holes so that the hasp can't be opened up and the machine restarted until everyone's removed their padlock from the hasp. The Brady electrical plug lockout device, lockout hasp, safety padlock and danger do not operate tag, a simple way of locking out a faulty electrical appliance. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.